In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace website step by step. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a beginner who's just getting started, these simple instructions will guide you through the process, making it as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button. This is your gateway into all the customizations you can dream of for your site. Once you've clicked login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This is a handy feature if you have a Google account because it makes logging in fast and easy without the need to remember additional passwords. Now that you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard listing all the websites you have access to. Click on the specific website you want to edit. This is where the magic begins. By selecting your site, you open up its configuration and editing tools, paving the way for creativity and customization. Next, navigate to the edit option. This is your workshop where all edits and changes happen. You won't literally be searching for a wrench or screwdriver, but instead using intuitive tools designed to enhance your website's visual and functional appearance. When you're in edit mode, you'll see various sections appear. Click on the section you'd like to modify. Each section represents different parts of your web page, such as the header, footer, or main content area. This breakdown makes it very convenient to update only what's necessary without overhauling the entire site. After selecting your section, find and click on Add Block. This is an essential feature in Squarespace, allowing you to insert new elements into your section. Whether it's text, images, video, or even an integrated social media feed, the blocks are your content building units. Once the block is added, it's time to choose which type of element you want to include. Perhaps you're looking to add an impressive image gallery, a button to lead customers to a special offer, or maybe a contact form to gather important customer feedback. The choice of elements is abundant, ensuring that you can personalize the content according to your needs. Now for the final touches, click on the pencil icon next to the element you want to edit. This icon opens up editing options for the selected element, allowing you to tailor it to fit precisely what you're envisioning. Most elements in Squarespace come with similar customization tools. You'll likely find settings for design, background, and more, providing a uniform editing experience throughout your site. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on how to begin editing your Squarespace website. Dive in, explore, and let your creativity shine through each of these steps. With Squarespace, the possibilities for creating a beautiful functional website are virtually limitless.